Hello. Today I will be presenting my application. Let's start the application. Basically, this application helps users to find nearby places that conserves the foods, for example, by searching the food image or the name of the just saying the name of the food with help of voice recognition. So first, user needs to either sign in if they have account or sign up if they don't. So for example, if user does not fill any text fields, they will have faced with error. So it means that in this registration page and also in login page, we have custom error message that shows and helps user to enter valid credentials to either sign up or sign in. Then let's say if we want to sign in, so we go to the search view. So in this search view we can search the photo by either importing image or by camera. As you can see, since I don't have any food right now next to me, I will be searching by photo, importing photo. So it sends data to the backend and it finds the nearby places. As you can see, with animation, it shows the nearby places very nicely. Also, voice recognition is also working. So if I search, let's say burger, so it finds nearby places that serving burger. Yes, now this is that. And in this application, in addition to map and searching page view, we also have account view. So here user can edit their account information. For example, change their photo to this one, and if we update, it changes it. Or for example, edit and take photo with camera, and if we try this, and it will update. For this we use Firebase and Firebase Fire storage for the picture, and for the information, metadata information such as the name and the email address, we use Firebase Firestore. And finally, we can also change the password. Let's say by sending email, I send the email and I get the reset password for this application, which is called FoodIt. That's it. And the user can stay logged in. So I close the application, as you can see, and user is stay logged in. And finally, this application supports light mode with custom colors. As you can see, custom colors, very beautiful. And if we switch dark mode again, it will show the darker version. Thank you. Application now starts with launch screen. As you can see, this is the launch screen. This is launch screen logo, so that image that we have in the beginning, and this is the animation. Then we decide if user is logged in or not. We check if user is logged in. This is done with help of auth listener, the change listener handler. So we check if user is logged in. If so, we go to the home view, which is which if you remember, we had two buttons in the beginning, either searching by camera or voice. Otherwise, you go to sign in view controller. If let's say user goes to sign in view controller, excuse me, these are the we have navigation in sign in view controller from sign in to sign up. So this is sign in view controller. So we check like these are the descriptions of errors if we have, we have different functions. This is the main function for signing the user in, and it is done with help of Firebase, as mentioned. And same here, we have different errors but still similar. And we also have sign up the user. So with help of the email text field, email password, and text field, we check the user. If user is logged in, we create the user in the backend and with their name like in Firestore. And that's that. For map, the controller, we have so this is our maps again. Here we set up the map. As you can see, this project is done programmatically, so it takes a little bit long to explain. We show alert if user location is not available, and we either had to ask them to go to settings or exit the food edit because it's not gonna work. And also we check the direction of direction, so get direction of the places. We get the direction of the places. If direction is found, it shows on the map. And that's that. For camera view controller, as you can see, the main part is this one getting the name of the food name. So as you can see, this is the HTTPS of URL of deployed machine learning model. So we just post the base 64 encoded image, and in backend it finds the name of the image and sends it in front end, and we find the name of the places that gives the foods. And finally, for testing part, unfortunately I don't have time to go through all those files. This is the testing done for sign in and sign up tests with different credentials, and also for edit profile we did this test. So overall we have more than 10, if I'm not or 10 or 15 tests, and that's it. Thank you so much. This is my Firebase project. Basically I saved the images of the profile images of users here in Firebase storage, and in Firebase Firestore I save users metadata such as email and their name. For example, if you find if I can find that, or so this one, so this is the name and email of the user. And for authentication, all these users are registered. Of course these are dummy users, but still. And this is my GitHub repository.